Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Kenny's Tool Review. Today we're going to be going over this topside creeper. This one's by Vevor. That's how you pronounce it. There's all the specs right there. Made in the mainland. Made in China. It comes with a little front pouch. It's got Velcro on it. Many adjustable heights with this pin here. Right now it's all the way down, and then it's also got adjustable angles, 3 different settings. A couple of things to note on this. As you can see already, that we've got some sort of padding here to protect the trucks. I'm probably going to repurpose some pool noodles because it can't really be padded all the time because of the way it slides up and down. It's got to slide in, so they would have had to have designed something better for that. Another thing is this top rung. They should have padded this for sure, because that doesn't need to be, unpadded and repadded. But I think we're going to repurpose another pool noodle to sit on there, because the only reason for this one is to really kneel on. There's no other reason for this. There's no way you're stepping on this and it doesn't make any sense. They're too close. You're definitely stepping on all those for sure. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, we're probably going to end up strapping this to the front of the truck, because if you set these brakes, which are crazy hard to set, well, if you don't set them, the thing's gonna go crazy. But when you're all the way out here on this and you've got a big long breaker bar or ratchet or any sort of thing with leverage, and you pull, this whole thing just moves just like that. So there's got to be a way to either structure it or do something with the front wheels. The front wheels don't lock, they just move. But if you lock the rears, I mean, it moves less, but with all your weight out over the front, it doesn't matter. So I know there's a couple other brands that make topside creeper. I don't know which ones are the best. This Vevor one I think was the cheapest, and don't get me wrong, it makes the jobs that you're doing up on there so much easier, like crazy easier. But there are some things that take away. So like I said, I'm going to repurpose a pool noodle, cut it into pieces, put 2 there and 1 here for kneeling, and then with the padding here, I won't feel weird about ratchet strapping it to the truck that we're using it on to keep it still. There's really no reason, once you got it set up, to move around. So there's that. But that's it for the topside creeper that we just got. If you like it, leave a like below. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I do want to apologize for a little bit of a lapse in videos. I've been pretty busy with the social life. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.